Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming admin access on the page and that you control the personal profile. This is critical because permissions gate the process. Once done, open Facebook on desktop or the app and go directly to the page settings. Make sure the app is updated to avoid missing options. You'll choose whether to display the page on your profile or simply connect them for messaging and cross-posting. This choice affects visibility and how followers find you. Now you navigate to Page, then Settings, then the section labeled Page Roles or Linked Accounts. This is where linking options live. Select Link Profile or Add Profile and follow the on-screen prompts. Facebook may ask you which profile to connect and what permissions to grant for messaging and posting. You do this because Facebook keeps pages and profiles functionally distinct, so explicit consent is required. If identity verification appears, complete it promptly to avoid delays by uploading a valid ID or entering a code. Finish by confirming the link in Settings and then test functionality. Post as the page and switch to your profile to check visibility or send a message to ensure cross-account messaging works. Make sure to tweak visibility settings so the page appears on your profile only if you want public association. If the link fails, clear app cache and retry, or use Facebook's support inbox to submit a verification request. This troubleshooting step resolves most stuck states.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.